Hey, my name is Jack. Today I will represent an amazing list of electronic products. This video about
Binoculars, telescopes, optics.
If this video helped you to select a nice product, please put a like and subscribe to this amazing channel.
Enjoy astronomical and long-range terrestrial observing the easy way with Celestron's SkyMaster binoculars. Highly regarded among amateur astronomers and outdoorsmen alike, SkyMaster provides excellent views and great value. All SkyMaster binoculars offer large apertures, starting at 56 mm and progressing to 100 mm. With this much light-gathering ability, you'll be able to spot even faint celestial objects, like galaxies and nebulae, or distant terrestrial subjects in dim lighting conditions. Mount any SkyMaster on a tripod for comfortable extended viewing sessions and stable images. SkyMaster binoculars feature high-quality BAK4 prisms and multi-coated optics for improved contrast and resolution. All models include lens caps and a carrying case. Take your favorite outdoor hobbies to the next level with detailed, high-magnification views from a pair of SkyMaster binoculars. From birding and hiking to sports and travel, Nature DX binoculars are your perfect outdoor companion. Ranging in size from a compact 8x25 to a large 12x56, there's a Nature DX to fit any outdoor activity. The Cornell Lab of Ornithology selected Nature DX 8x42 as its top choice in binoculars under $200, providing high-end features at a value price. Nature DX sports fully multi-coated optics and phase-coated BAK4 prisms for brighter images with increased contrast and resolution. Select models offer a close focus as little as 6.5 feet, perfect for up-close observing. Nature DX features a rugged rubber armored body, and it's waterproof and nitrogen purged for use in any weather condition. Every Nature DX binocular includes a neck strap and carrying case. Be ready for your next outdoor adventure with Outland X binoculars from Celestron. These easy-to-use binoculars are great for beginners. Twist-up eye cups ensure correct positioning of the eye with or without glasses, while an ergonomic housing makes Outland X easy to grip even with gloves on. A large, smooth focus wheel helps you bring subjects into view quickly. Inside, Outland X binoculars offer advanced features like fully multi-coated optics and BAK4 prisms for increased light transmission and brighter images. The compact 8x25 and 10x25 models are perfect for stashing in a pocket or your car's glove compartment. The full-size 8x42 and 10x42 models, available in both black and green, gather more light for brighter views and detailed observation of birds, wildlife, concerts, sporting events, and more. All Outland X binoculars are waterproof and fogproof, so you can use them confidently in any weather condition. Each model includes a neck strap, semi-attached lens caps, and a carrying case.